Hello, I am back. We have our MFF and Futures account pulled up. Let's see how the open takes place. Let me just quickly check the news for today. So today at 8:30 a.m. we had some current account, second quarter updates. Then we had Fed Goolsby speaking. Then we had FOMC member Bauman speaks at 9 a.m. Alright, so they spoke, or some of them are still speaking. Let me just see what's coming out of them. Alright, so Fed Bauman said, I'm worried the Fed is behind the curve on labor market weakness. Policy may need to adjust faster if risks materialize. He also said, important that recent statement included a forward-looking view for further cuts. I expect last week's cut to be a first step towards a more neutral rate if the economy evolves as expected. So Bauman is certainly for cutting rates, which is bullish for the market. Now, right before him, we had Goolsby speak, and what did he say? He says the labor market continues to cool at a mild and modest pace. Okay, modest pace. He says job market statistics show a lot of stability. We did not move the inflation target. I think the Fed is mildly restrictive. So he's kind of bearish, huh? He says, right now, I am not thinking about 50 basis point cuts. We need to be a bit careful about getting aggressive. I think rates can come down some if we are on path to getting inflation back to target. All right, so continue going on with the calendar for today. So we have services PMI at 9:45 a.m. That's kind of important. That's definitely going to move the market. And here's the next one, the kicker. It's 9:29. So getting ready to do the ORB trade, opening market trade. I didn't get to the kicker. Hold on. We have Trump speak at 9:50 a.m. Today will be a short stream. I'm going apple picking. Plus we have Trump speaking at 9:50 a.m. Then we have Bostic speak at 10 a.m. We also have Powell speaking at 12:35. So today we have market moving events. I think I want to stay out of those. Let's see if we can get a couple of scalps. I already took a couple of scalps on my take profit trader. I took $55 scalps on 2 accounts. So I'm not going to go. I'm planning not to trade too much. I'm going to maybe be here for 30 minutes and that's about it. Okay. I really don't know where the market is going to go. It's inside this channel, right? I think it's going to revisit the lows. That's what I think. I could be wrong. If it breaks that low, I'm going to go. All right. Kind of entered early, but okay. Good. There's a $55 win. As I expected, it went down a little bit. I don't know how much more I can expect out of this. I don't like shorting, you know that. But we'll try to manage it if we're wrong. See if we could trap some longs there on top, right above that candle, for a really quick scalp. I don't think we're even going to get that. Okay. We can certainly also try to catch something here. So whatever the market gives us. All right, we'll see. I am placing my long at 24,980. That's kind of below this previous candle here. Previous swing low. The market is certainly trending down here a little bit at the open. Again, we're in this channel, so we don't know where it's gonna, is it gonna break out to the high side or low side. I think market will be slightly worried about the upcoming news. We have a PMI a report coming out in about 15 minutes. Then we have Trump, and then we have Powell. All right, so a few unknowns there, which could make the market a little bit nervous and drag it down. But we never know. This is why I have longs and shorts set up for a quick scalp. Let's see what we could get here. Okay, looks like market is getting some strength. Okay, let's see if we get a fill there. Okay, in and out. Good. Quick scalp. Okay, let's see if this could have just trapped some of the longs. I'm going to draw a circle there. Kind of reminded, is this where we trap the longs or not? Or this is going to be a new high and this is going to be low, higher or low. We shall see. Okay, we're making that higher high now. Let's see if there's definitely some stops on top there. Market is going to want to take. So we might go run a little higher there. In the meantime, I'll take advantage of these fluctuations. Okay, it's very tempting to go long here, the bottom of this. But I feel like I haven't traded anything in this account, so I figured let me try. See if we can get a scalp here. Only because I have to go soon. I think we should be out soon. Okay, there you go. Okay. Strength to the downside. Let's hope we don't get slaughtered here. Okay. All right. Scalping in action. Try and be careful here. The news are coming out soon, so I don't want to get stuck in anything. These would be some of the last trades for the day for me, I feel like. Okay, looks like we're getting that expected volatility. All right. Can't even see the candles, they're moving so crazy. I feel like we might flush through here, so being extra careful here. I don't know how careful can you be with this kind of volatility. I'm in on my Topstep account, but you can't see on my other computer. I'm up about $200 in that trade with one mini, and I'm out for $222 win, so that's good. Let's see if we get some kind of reversal pattern here now. It is 9:38 a.m. This means we'll be getting news very soon. In about 6 minutes. Okay, here's that reversal pattern. But this could mean nothing if we get in the news. Did we get any trades here? Oh, looks like we just missed our trade here. Look at this. This would have been nice. $200 winner. Just missed us. What a shame. Anyhow, these are evals. Kind of care, but I don't. So I'm going to move them here now. See if we can advantage of this volatility. Okay, we have news coming up soon. I have alarm. My plan is to stay clear of this news. Okay. Am I in somewhere, really? I did not realize I was still had my orders here. It's not good. I thought I was clearing them out. I guess not fast enough. Okay. Well, it was my mistake. Not clearing those orders prior to the news. Cleared them on all my stations except this one. 'Cause this is why you get out of your positions. You don't set any orders prior to the news, because this will flush, and it's a lesson to everyone. This will hurt. Bull trap. There's not much you can do here. Two minutes to the news drop. Okay, we're ready to get the news. So we got lucky here on this account. We got out of this trade, but we're still stuck on this one. Okay. All right, news about to hit. Okay, it looks like they just hit. Let's see if we get flush. Most likely PMI usually flushes down, in my experience. Plus we have Trump talking soon, so just my hope we can maybe still somehow get out of this trade, because we got trapped into it. It's gonna be tough. I mean, we just missed our exit here by a quick tick. Guess whatever happens, happens. It's not gonna let me place another trade. It's fine. See if we can manage this. So if we make new lows, then we're going to continue down this trend. If we make new, okay, of course it didn't fill me. If we make new, okay, we out. $250 profit. 1, 2, I mean, we could do a reversal trade potentially here. All right. Phew. I feel better. Okay. On this last trade we just did on this account, we just passed it. We reached $53,036. So we almost blew the account, but we ended up passing it. All right, let's remove all the orders here. Okay, we passed this MFF and Futures finally, and we have about another $1,500 to go on this account. This is more recent. 250 for the day. Keeps the doctor away. I like it. I think we're good here. I think we would have done well. I think we did okay here. I'm doing take profit. Oh, excuse me. Topstep trades here. I mean, this is kind of tough one, but we're kind of having a two-legged pullback here. Should we try it here? Okay. I'll go like this. Trade the bottom of it. Okay. All right. That trade worked on my Topstep account. We could certainly try it here, but it's a little bit late. But I did get $52 on that trade there. Okay. And a little late to the game. There's a bit of a trap here. All these candles. Could definitely trap someone. Just missed my trap there. Order. It's okay. Maybe we'll get another opportunity. Or maybe the market will just go up now. Nope. It's looking to go higher now. Alright, I'm out of one mini on my Topstep. I had two minis on a line there. I did catch that trap at the bottom of my Topstep. Was a little bit more fortunate. Maybe that platform works a little better. Topstep X, I'm not sure. Try and be a little patient here. I think this will be the last trade of the day. There you go. I'm done. $305 in this account. Another $300 in this account. And we took 55 on this account. And another 55 on this. Okay? Alright, so 100. Plus 600, so we got 700. Plus another 650. So 1350 in 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes, in 20 minutes. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'm gonna go apple picking now. Trump will start speaking soon. Powell will speak in the afternoon, so be careful. Let me make sure I cancel all my trades because anything can happen. One, two, potentially break out to the top side now coming up. I won't be taking it because, like I said, I'm ending the stream early today. Going apple picking with my kids. You guys enjoy today. Trade safe. All right. Be very careful there. Market is pretty brutal. It could definitely get very volatile. Let's quickly take a look where we are. All right. So we had this upward channel, right? We broke down. So we have all these areas of support, AOS below here. I can see us going down to testing 29. Excuse me, 925. Then we're gonna go down to 895, and then so on. And who knows? We can even go back down to 740s. All right, so be careful. That's 200-point drop. So anything could happen when PMI comes out. Usually, if then the market picks up, finds its trend, it's just going to continue that trend. As you can see, it's bear flagging right now. So there's a high potential that we might break that. All right, it looks like we already break it down. So I would be careful here if you go long. All right. Be mindful of our supports here. Okay, so we are breaking down now in this bear flag. There you go. It's a nice push. Trump will start speaking. If he hasn't started yet, let me double check again. Trump will speak at... Now I don't see it. Did they change the date? I think they changed the time now. Oh no, 9:50. 9:50 and it's 9:55. So he's speaking already. All right. So hence the market volatility. Like I said, I don't want to be in this right now. Could go against my, against my technical analysis, and I have other things to do. Have a great day, guys. Bye, traders.